Hey, what's up guys, this is Skyforce95 here. I'm doing an unboxing of a dash camera. I've never had one of these before, but I think they are a great idea. They're basically an extra layer of insurance for your car, so you can record what's happening in front of you. Say if you rear-ended somebody, or if you had to see an accident in front of you or whatever, it can capture those details and you can present it as evidence. So this one is a 1080p front-facing camera, and it also has a rear camera that's only VGA quality, so I can't imagine that's going to work too well, but again, I'll be testing all of that out in the final review, so definitely subscribe for that. So enough of me rambling on, let's just go ahead and take a look at around the box before I get right into it. There you go. It seems a lot like one of those point and shoot cameras that you had a couple years ago, and they just basically have a window mount, I assume. So first thing you're greeted with is the camera unit right here. So let's give a quick tour around this thing. You do have a very clearly laid out buttons here, so you got play and then fast forward and rewind, I assume. And here they actually include a 32 gigabytes class 10 micro SD card, which is actually pretty darn generous of them. It's even Kingston, so it's a reputable brand, so that's pretty darn nice. I think this dash cam was $60 when I bought it off Amazon. As usual, I have the current pricing and availability in the link in the description. So that's the left side. Right side, we have more controls here, and these seem a little bit more cryptic. The only thing I recognize here is the power button, and also looks like this is a shutter button, and this is the video recording button. Not sure what this one is, maybe it's a menu button. So as usual, I'll be going over that in more detail when I actually get a chance to test it out, but it looks like it charges via mini USB, not micro, and it has an HDMI output, so you can connect this to a screen so you can view the data on here. And it looks like that's probably the mounting hot shoe there. Lens, no zoom, fixed lens, and that's pretty much it. So highest quality is 1080p, 30 frames per second. Sorry, I can't speak in this video. So enough about the camera. Let's see what else it includes. We've got the rear camera unit, it looks like right here. So this is mini HDMI. I also forgot to mention this over here is actually a mini HDMI right here. So mini HDMI cord, and here's the camera you can see here. So that's where the screws would go. And it's a sufficiently long cable, so maybe you are supposed to mount this in the rear. And now we have the dash mount. So you can see there's a sliding option right there. So it is proprietary, you can't just use any old dash window mount. So it holds on just like that. Traditional suction cup. And we also have, of course, the car charger to keep this thing charged at all times. And the last thing in the box is just literature stuff. So how you can set this thing up, and then you have the user manual right here. So I'll have the product link as usual in the description box down below in case you want to know about more of the specifics of this thing, but as usual, stay tuned for my full review. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.